So, today, we're not just talking about earning a little extra pocket money. No, we're talking about a goal that could totally redefine your teenage years, earning your very first lakh of rupees, all from the comfort of your own room. I know it sounds like a huge, ambitious goal, but stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll have a crystal clear roadmap to make it a reality. 1 lakh rupees. Just let that number sit there for a second. It's so much more than just a number, right? It's your ticket to some real financial freedom. It's a chance to learn skills that are going to set you up for life. And honestly, it's the first huge step you can take in building your own future on your own terms.
I get it, though. Your first reaction might be, no way. I mean, you're juggling school, you've got your friends, and then you're supposed to earn this much on the side. It definitely sounds like trying to climb a mountain, for sure.
But I'm here to tell you that it's not just possible. It's totally within your reach. And together, in this explainer, we are going to map out the entire route, step by step, all the way to the very top of that mountain.
Okay, but before we actually start the climb, let's talk about why now, as a teenager, is the absolute best time to begin this journey. You've got some seriously powerful kind of hidden advantages that most adults would do anything to have.
Just think about it for a second. You have the freedom to experiment, to try things out, and even to fail without any real risk. Every single rupee you earn, you can reinvest it back into yourself, into your growth. And the skills you're about to learn, these aren't just for now. These are assets that are going to pay you back for decades. All right, it is time to gear up. We're about to explore 7 different paths you can take to start earning. Now, you don't have to master all of them, not at all. You just need to pick 1 or 2 that feel right for you and begin your climb. Let's kick things off with some of the more creative paths.
Okay, so our first path is genuinely one of the easiest to get started with, content writing. Seriously, if you can write a decent essay for school, you already have the basic skills you need. And trust me, there are thousands of businesses out there who are desperate for someone just like you to write their blog posts, their website copy, and their social media updates.
Let's just break down the numbers here. Even as a total beginner, you can pretty easily charge between 500 to 1,000 rupees for a single article. Now let's say you write just 2 of those a week. You're already looking at 4,000 to 8,000 rupees a month. That is a solid income for just a few hours of work on your weekend. Path number 2 is for all you creative minds out there. And listen, you do not need to be a professional artist for this. With amazing and free tools like Canva, you can easily create these stunning graphics that businesses are more than willing to pay good money for. And here's a little pro tip for you. Instead of charging by the hour, which can get messy, sell your services in packages. For example, offer a bundle of, say, 10 Instagram posts for a flat fee. If you land just 5 clients a month with a package like that, you could easily be making 7,500 rupees. See, it's all about working smarter, not just harder. All right, let's talk about YouTube. Now, this path, it's less of a sprint and way more of a marathon. It's going to take some real patience and consistency, but the payoff can be huge. We're talking passive income for years down the road. You know, the real secret to success on YouTube is to pick something you actually love doing. Don't even worry about the money at first. Just focus on making content that you're excited about. It really is a marathon, so be prepared to put in the work for at least 6 months. But if you stick with it, you can build a source of income that literally keeps paying you for years.
Now, let's switch gears and look at 2 paths that let you offer a direct, high-value service to clients: social media management and online tutoring. These are perfect for when you're ready to start working directly with people.
I mean, just look at the potential here. Are you a math whiz? Or maybe a science genius? Just 10 hours of tutoring a week could earn you some serious income. Or hey, if you're great with social media, managing the accounts for just 3 local businesses could easily put you in that 5-figure-a-month club. Okay, but what if you want to start earning money like tomorrow? Well, these next 2 paths, reselling and app testing, require almost 0 skills upfront and can get you paid really, really quickly. These 2 options are absolutely perfect for making your first few rupees online. With reselling, you can start with 0 investment. That's right, 0. And you never have to worry about holding inventory. And with app testing, you can literally get paid for your opinion, earning a quick few hundred rupees for just 20 minutes of your time. How cool is that? So, we've explored 7 completely different ways you can earn money online. But, you know, just knowing the options isn't really enough. Now for the crucial part. Let's put it all together into a concrete plan to get you to that 1 lakh rupee goal. This right here, this is the question that separates the people who just casually dabble from the people who become serious earners.
How do you strategically layer these different income streams to speed up your journey to 1 lakh rupees?
Here's exactly how you do it. You start with writing or tutoring to get some quick cash flowing in. Then, once you're comfortable, you add in a skill like Canva design to boost your income. Now, while you're doing all that, you're consistently working on your YouTube channel in the background. Before you even know it, all 3 income streams will be working for you, and hitting that 1 lakh rupee mark in just 6 to 8 months will be completely within your grasp.
But before you set off on your climb, every climber needs a survival guide. These are the absolutely essential principles that will keep you safe on your journey and, more importantly, make sure you actually reach the summit.
Okay, listen very closely because this is the single most important rule of all. You should never, ever, ever have to pay money to get a job. Legitimate clients pay you. It's not the other way around. If someone asks you for an upfront fee or some kind of registration cost, it is a scam, period. End of story. Just walk away. And as you start your journey, keep these 4 principles in mind. First, don't wait for everything to be perfect. Just start. Be consistent. Second, build your portfolio from the very first day. Quick tip, don't have clients yet? No problem. Create a project for a brand you love just to show off your skills. Third, make a schedule that works for you and actually stick to it. And finally, never stop learning. In this game, the more you learn, the more you earn.
Let this one really sink in. Yeah, the money is great, but what you're really building here is so much more valuable. You're building proof. Proof to yourself that you can set a big, kind of scary goal and then systematically work towards it and actually achieve it. That kind of confidence is absolutely priceless. So, the map is in your hands now, the tools are all at your disposal, and the summit is just waiting for you. The only thing left to do is to take that very first step. So, what's it going to be? Which one of these paths are you going to choose to start your journey today? Let me know down in the comments. Your climb starts right now.